ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायं अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Again repeat. Alpaksharam asandigdham saravadvishvato mukham astobham anavadyam cha sutram sutravido viduhu.
Alpaksharam asandigdham saravadvishvato mukham astobham anavadyam cha sutram sutravido viduhu.
Ayyun Eom Ayouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamanganam Jabhai Kadadash Jabagadadash Kapa Chatata Chatatau Kapai Chashasar Hal Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha Yashanam Talu Ruturashanam Murdha Tulasanam Dantaha Upatmaniyanam Ushtau Yamangananam Nasika cha Edaitogo Kantathalu Odautogo Kantha Oshtam Vakarasya Danta Oshtam Chakva Mulyasya Chakva Mulyam नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
So you can repeat these sutras in this order. This is our order. Mukhanasika vachanonunasikah
मुखनासिका वचनोनासिकः
Praktischa
विभक्तिश्च
Adarshanam Lopaha.
दर्शनं लोपः.
After that, one more inserted. Adirantena Saheta. It is not here. You can, I think you know it. We did in the last class.
Adirantena
Saheta.
Remember, we inserted that.
Yeah. Yes.
Then Upadeshe Ajanunasikaha it.
Upadeshe
Halantyam Navibhaktau Tusmaha Adihi Nitudavaha Shaha Pratyayasya. Oh, that's a typo. Chutu. Not chutu. Lashakvatadite. Tasya lopaha. Yata sankyam anudeshas samanam. Ukalaha. There's a mistake. Is Ukalaha ach rasvadhirga plutaha. Achascha Uchchairudhataha Nichairudhataha Samaharasvaritaha Rasvam Laghu. It's a mistake then. Halo Nantara Sanyogaha. Sanyoge Guru. Dirgamcha. Alontyat Purvaha Upadha. Lasya. Tiptaschi. Lot of mistakes are there. Siptastha. Ipvasmas. Athamja. Thas atham. Dhvam. Yit vahi maging. Asked a student to prepare this. Also didn't check this. I think I have to redo it. Then Laha Parasmai Padam. Ahano Atmane Padam. Ingaha Trini Pratama Madhyama Uttamaha. Ani Ekavachana Dvivachana Bhagavachanani Anekashaha. Sorry, Ekashaha. Artavat Adatuhu Apratyaha Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam. Krit Aditya Samasascha. Ni Ap Pratipadikat. Su Aujas. Outshas. Tabhyambis. Ngebhyambyas. Ngasibhyambyas. Nges Os Su Hau Sup. It's no sum only. Su Hau Sup. Ni O Sup. Sorry. Ni O Sup. I was reading this. It's all mistake. It's all. Everything is. Anyway, I'll redo it. And the next one, up to this we saw. Ni O Sup.
Yes.
That is 412. So just all the pratyas are listed here. Okay. 412. So there is some connection between each sutra, so that students can remember. That is why I made like this. This is our krama, sutra krama. Then now the next one is supaha. That is what we have to see. 14103. Supaha. Why supaha? Because supaha tingaha vibhakti. They are vibhakti. So therefore we need to now think we have seen. Now sup. It is 14103 in the Sutra Pata. You can go to the first chapter, 4th section. Here it is. Supaha 14103. Supaha. Okay, then what are all the anuvritti for the supaha? If you see supaha, Tani, supaha is there, okay. Anuvritti for this. Anuvritti is Tani, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachanani, Ekashaha. So Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, that comes as Anuvritti for supaha. And the Trini, Pratama, Madhyama, Uttamaha. The Trini, that also, because it denotes the Purusha, that also comes as Anuvritti. So now we will see. Just a minute. That is yes. You can see 14103. Supaha is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavacham. It is the Pratyahara. Okay. It is the Pratyahara. Now before going to this, one small exercise I'll give you. You can do that exercise. Not only for the Sanya Sutra, even for all the Vidhi Sutras which we have seen. I'll take just one example. It's a good exercise to recall all the sutras. In fact, that is how we have to do it. So, you see the word file, blank word file I'm typing.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. I'm taking this sutra, Upadeshe ach anunasikaha it. Okay, Upadeshe ajanu nasikaha nasika it. This sutra 1, 3, 2. Now, what is this? What is this sutra says? The sutra is a Sanya Sutra, we know. What is a Sanya? It's Sanya, right?
It's Sanya. Yeah.
Now, to understand this sutra, to understand the Sanya, what are the words here used? Upadesha. Upadesha means we know. The Panchagrantha and the Adesha Pratyaya, which are mentioned in the Panchagrantha, they get the name Upadesha. What is the next word?
Ach.
Ach. Ach and Anunasika is that, right?
Yeah.
What is Ach now? To understand the sutra, you must know Ach. Based on that only I formed this order, but this order cannot be perfect. There is no perfect order. So always you need to bring in something in between. Okay, so now what is Ach? Pratyahara. But when you see this sutra first, before seeing the sutra, you must know what Pratyahara is, how to form the Pratyahara is, right? So what is a Pratyahara sutra by which we form the Pratyahara Ach?
Adirantena Saheta.
Yes, good. Adirantena Saheta. So Adirantena Saheta. That is a sutra. That sutra is required to form Ach. Right? That sutra is required. What is Ach? Ayun, Riluk, A Om, I Ouch, right? So
Yes.
Ayun, Riluk, A Om, I. What about the Nakara there? Nakara and Riluk, Kakara, A Om, Nakara and Chakara. What happened to that?
Lopaha.
No, they get the Sanya It.
It.
Right?
It.
By what sutra they get the Sanya It?
Alantyam.
Alantyam.
But also you need to write Alantyam, that is sutra. You can write with the number also. Adirantina Saketa, what is the number?
1171.
71. Alantyam is 13.
132.
3. Yeah.
3. Sorry.
Okay. Then the next one.
Now
Not in the that list we are saying. What are the sutras are required to understand this sutra? One is
okay.
Adirantya Saketa is required. Then Alantyam is required because last letter is it. Then Krishna, you said the next one. Almost you said that. What will happen to that? It letter.
Lopaha.
Lopaha.
But Tasya Lopaha is a Sanya.
Oh, Lopa. There is a Sanya for Lopa. Sadur.
Adarshanam Lopaha.
Adarshanam Lopaha.
Adarshanam Lopaha. That also you can write. Its number is 1160, I think, right?
Yeah, 1160.
Then, now you can write Tasya Lopaha.
Lopaha.
Tasya Lopaha is 139. Right? 139. All these sutras are required to form the Pratyahara Ach. You have to see if any other sutras are possible. I'm just taking this as an example. So in the sutra, Upadeshe Ach Anunasikaha it is a sanya. To understand its sanya, we should know Upadeshe technical term. Upadeshe is not defined here in this Ashtadhyayi. Fine. So Ach we know. For Ach we have to know all these 4 sutras. And what is Anunasika?
Kanasika Vachano.
That is the first one. Mukanasika. Chanaha. Anunasikaha. This is 1,
8.
8. So all these sutras are required to understand Mukanasika, Upadesha Anunasika. This is for each sutra you can write. For each sutra, we need to write like this. I'm taking a simple Sanya Sutra. For Sanya Sutra itself, these sutras are involved. 5 sutras are involved to understand a Sanya Sutra. Then what to talk about a Vidhi Sutra? If you take some Vidhi Sutra, more sutras will be there. In fact, they say from Bhu Dhatu to Bhavati, the form, there are more than 25 sutras. Okay, I'll give one more example. Example for the Sandhi Sutra, Iko Yanachi. You know Iko Yanachi, right? Iko Yanachi, you can see. What are the sutras involved in this Iko Yanachi? You see the word file? It's on the file. This is. First, you have to see Ik, Yan, Ach, all these are Pratyaharas. Therefore, Pratyahara sutras required. Adirantena Saketa is required. Then Alantyam, It, that is required. And It letter going to be Lopa, Adarsham Lopaha is required. And it is Lopa Bhavati, Tasya Lopa is required. And this sutra is Samhita Sutra, Sandhi Sutra. Therefore, you have to define what Sandhi is. Parasandhi, Kachara Samhita. And this is covered in the topic Samhitayam, Adhikara Sutra, that you have to write. Okay. Then the Ik stands for not only not only short E, it can bring its Savarna. Similarly, Ach can bring its Savarna. Ach stands for A, E. All the 18 possibilities are there for each letter. Therefore, you have to bring in Tulyasa Prayatnam Savarnam. Whereas the Adesha cannot bring its Savarna. We know by what sutra? Anudit Savarna Sacha Apratyaha. That also you need to bring in. And what is a Sthani? Ikaha is a Sthani. Therefore, Sthani you have to define. Ika Shashti Sthani Yoga. And Iko Yana Achi. Achi is Saptami. That determines the Sthani. That is Tasminiti Nidrishte Purvasya. That which is in Saptami. Before that, there only the Karya happens. For that, we need to bring in the Sutra. Tasminiti Nidrishte Purvasya. Then Iko Yanachi. Ik is 4 letter. Yan is 4 letter. How the replacement takes place? Yatha Sankyam Anudesha Samana. That also you have to bring in. So now we can see how many sutras are there. For this sutra, Iko Yanachi. If you just add Yadi plus Api, one simple example, Yadi plus Api, Yadyapi. For that, you need to bring in all the sutra. In fact, you have to find out any other sutra is missed out. That's also possible. You understand what I'm saying, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you have to bring in. So this is a good exercise. For all the Vidhi Sutras, you can write like this. This is one example, Iko Yanachi. All these sutras are required. If you keep doing like this, the sutras also get familiar. Anudit Savana Sacha Pratyaha, if we have forgotten, if you do this exercise, you will remember what it is. Right? So then similarly, Akasavarni Dirgha, you can see one more sutra. There it is the same. Akaha is Pratyahara. Therefore, you have to bring in the Pratyahara sutra. Adirantine Sageta. Then Alantyam. Alantyam it Adarshanam Lopaha. Then Lopasanya. And this is also Sandhi topic. Therefore, Parasamnikashaha Samhita. Then it comes under the Adhikara Samhitaya. Then Tulyasya Praitam Savarnam. Savarna is required, then Sanya, therefore you have to define that. And where that Savarna is used, Anudit Savarna Chicha, Apratyaha. That is required. Akaha is the Stani. Akaha, Savarne. Ak followed by Akaha Savarna, that is Purva Paryoga Stani. So you have to bring in Shashti Stani Yoga. Okay. And this is not complete. Ekaha Purva Paryoga. That is also you have to bring it. That is the Adhikara Sutra. Purva Paryoga Stane Savarnaha Dirgaha Adeshaha Bhavati. Okay. Then Shashti Stane Yoga. Shashti here is Purva Paryoga is the Shashti. Then what else is left out? Dirgaha is the Adesha. What is Dirgaha now? Ukalaha.
Ukoloj.
Acharasu Dirgaha. That also you have to bring it. Ukalo. Rasva. Dirga. Taha. You have to write the sutra number. You see how many sutras are there? Any other left out, you have to see. Savarna Dirga Sanya defined. Ukalaha Ach Rasva Dirga Prutaha. Then Savarna to be defined. Tulya Sapraitam Savarnam. When you say Savarnam, you can bring in the Apavada also. Not Jalo also you can bring in. Not Jalo. Hal and Ach and Hal cannot be Savarna. Akaha is a Pratyahara. This is read under the topic Samhitayam. Samhitayam Vishay. That is the main Adhikara. Within the Adhikara, we have Purva Parayoga Stani. Purva Parayoga is there. Ekaha Purva Parayoga. In fact, it is Ekaha Purva Parayoga. So all these things you have to bring in to understand the sutra completely. So this you can take it as a homework and do for all the Vidhi sutras we have seen. Okay. This is a good exercise. So when you write, you may miss some sutras. So you have to see what sutras you have missed, whether you follow the steps, whether you bring all the sutras, whether it is Sanya Sutras, Vidhi Sutras, or Apavada Sutras. Okay. So you can take this as homework. You can do Echaha Ayavayavaha, you can take that as homework. Adgunaha, you can take it as homework. Vriddhirechi, which we have seen. Engi Pararupam, all those sutras, you can take it as homework and try to list out the sutras whose application is involved in that sutra. Okay. Now we will go back to Supaha. Supaha. So it started from here. Supaha, how Supaha is formed? Supaha is Adirantine Saheta. It's a Pratyahara. Sup is a Pratyahara. So Supaha you have to bring in Adirantine Saheta. Here also Alantyam. And in fact you have to bring in Na Vivakto Tusmaha and all. Because Padanta Sakara is there. So whatever is there. Now, in fact, all the iteratory prakranam you have to see. And all the things you have to bring in. That's your homework, you can try. Now, let us see this sutra, 14103. Supaha is Ekavachanam, Pratipadika is Sup. It is declined like Marut Shabda. Therefore, it is declined like Rama Shabda. So it is Ramaha, Ramaha, Supaha. Supaha, it is, it is Shashti Vibhakti. I'm sorry, it is Shashti. That's why it is Marut Shabdavat only. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Supaha. Supaha is 6-1, Shashti Bhakti. And the Anuvrittis are Tani, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachanani, Anekashaha. That comes as Anuvritti. And Tingaha, Trini, everything, they all come as Anuvritti, but whatever the words required, only that we will write as the Sutrartha. Then it is in the main Adhikara, Akadarat Eka Sanya. That also you need to note. Akadarat Eka Sanya is the span of the sutras that 141, starting from that up to the Akadarat. There is a sutra in the second chapter. The particular sutra, it goes as Anuvritti. That is, sutra within that range can have only one Sanya, not two Sanyas. There is no Sanya, there is no, it cannot have two Sanyas. There cannot be two names for a thing. That is why Akadarat Eka Sanya. Like this sutra only applied to get the Sanya, Parasmai Padam, Atmani Padam. You say Laha Parasmai Padam. Laha Parasmai Padam means all the pratyas, thing pratyas, given the name Parasmai Padam. And we say Tangana Atmani Padam. Then, therefore, Ta Atamja, Ta Satandam, it Maging cannot be called Parasmai Padam. Because Akadarat Eka Sanya. So, minus that. Whatever left out, Tiptachi, Sittasta, Vipasmas, they get Parasmai Padam. The remaining get Tangano Atmani Padam. Akadarat Eka Sanya. By this Adhikara Sutra. Okay. Then Sampurna Sutra. Trini. The Trini comes as Anuvritti. Tingaha not required. The 3, because Pratama Vibhakti 3 Vachanam, Ditya Vibhakti 3 Vachanam, but Su Aujas, Amma Aujas, the 3. Therefore, the Trini comes as Anuvritti. Trini, Ekasha Dvivachanani, Bhagavachanani, Ekavachana Dvivachana Bhagavachanani, Ekasha Supaha. Okay. Then Sutrartha. Trayanam Samoha Rupena, Ekashaha is Samoha Rupena. Trayanam Samoha Rupena, Proktaha Suprattayaha, Kramena, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, Sanyakaha Bhavanti. So the Supaha is this is a Sanya Sutra for Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. This is a Sanya Sutra for Ekavachana, Dvivachanam. Tani Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, Ekashaha is that. What is that Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana? With regard to Sup, we are talking about. With regard to thing, it is one thing. With regard to Sup, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana. That is a Sanya Sutra. For Supaha, for Sup Pratyas, Sanya. Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana. Okay, now reading that further. Suojas Sammojas, that is 412. Anena Sutrena, Ekavimshatihi, 21. Supratyaha Patyante. 21 Sutra. The Supratyas are read. Tesham Anena Sutrena, Kramena, Kramena, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, Sanyaha Vidiyante. Taha Etadrishaha, like Su is Ekavachanam. How is Dvivachanam? Just Bhagavachanam. So, three are to be taken. In that, the first one is Ekavachanam, the second one is Dvivachanam, third one is Bhagavachanam. That is the order. Trini. And that one by one gets a Sanya, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana. After Bhagavachana, again Ekavachana. It will go to Ditya Vibhakti then. Ditya Vibhakti, will be Ekavachanam. Out will be Dvivachanam. Shas will be Bhagavachanam. So like that for all the Vibhaktis. This is how it is. The Vibhaktis are given the Sanya. So Sanya for the Vibhakti of the Supratyaya. So Supaha is Shashti Vibhakti. For the Supaha, referring to the Vibhaktis get this Sanya. Sup doesn't get a Sanya, remember. It is for sup is a pratyahara. Pratyahara representing the vibhaktis. The vibhakti gets the sanya. The pratyas get the sanya, not the, yes, you can call it as vibhakti also because we know vibhakti is by the sutra. So it is the pratyas get the, supratyas get the sanya, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam. So this sanya. एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन संज्ञायाः प्रयोगः एतादृशेषु सूत्रेषु दृश्यते. This is called संज्ञा प्रदेश, where these words are used, संज्ञाs are used. द्वेकयोर् द्विवचनैकवचने, that sutra is 1422. Bagushu Bhagavachanam 1421. All the places you can see sannyas are used. This is called sanya pradesha, where these sannyas are used. Then nyatavyam. Upari nidrishtanam त्रिकुट्टानां प्रथमा द्वितीया आदीनि पाणिनैः प्राक् विद्यमानैः वैयाकरणैः दत्ताः सन्ति. अष्टाध्याय्यां केनापि विशिष्टेन सूत्रेण एतां संज्ञाः न पाठिताः, परन्तु आचार्येण एतानि नामानि स्वीक्रियन्ते, भिन्नेषु सूत्रेषु प्रयुज्यन्ते च. यथा प्रातिपदिकार्थलिङ्गपरिमाणवचने प्रथमा, कर्मणि द्वितीया. That pratama dvitiya is talking about what he has mentioned. Pratama vibhakti, dvitiya vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti. We say vibhakti is sanya is there, but what about pratama? What about dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami? All these are also, it looks like name, but it is not patita in the sutra pata. So from where you get this name Pratama, Dvitiya and all, it is all borrowed from the previous Vaiyakarana. So before Panini Maharishi, there were other Vyakaranams, other Vaiyakaranas. So it's taken from that only. It is not specified. These sangyas are not specified in the Sutra Pata. The Panini Maharishi, it takes them. That is why you use it in the sutra. You can see in this sutra, all these are Karaka Sutra. Some are Karaka Kartakaraniya Hotratiya. In Karaka section and all you will see. Vibhakti section and Karaka section. The Pratama Dvitiya. Where it is defined in the Sutra Vada, it is not defined. It means that Panini Maharishi has accepted these names from the Purva Acharya. And therefore you can see the usage in this Sutra Pata. That is what he says, Nyatavyam. It's a good point. We don't think Pratama means we take it for granted Pratama is there, but where it is defined in Sutra, Ashtadhyayi, it is not defined. Ashtadhyayam kenapi vishishtena sutrena yataha sanyaha na patitaha. There is no any specific sutra for this. From where it is got. Paninehe prak vidyamanaihi vaiyakaranahi dattaha santi. These are given by the Vaiyakaranas who were there before Panini Maharishi. Therefore, Panini Maharishina etani namani svikriyante. Therefore, Panini Maharishi, he also accepts these names and uses in his sutra. So this is Supaha. Right? Understand this?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
So this is Supaha. Then after that, in the list, Viramaha Avasanam, simple sutra. Viramaha Avasanam. What is Viramaha? What is Avasanam? Avasanam is a sanya. So 1-4, we can write in this order. Next sutra after Supaha is 1-4. Oh, sorry. Viramaha Avasanam is 110. I typed it wrongly. 1-2-110. This is another sanya. Have you heard the word avasana? Where it is used? Immediately one sutra should come to your mind, one application. Where is it used, the avasana? Anybody?
Sandhi rule.
Where it is used? Yeah.
Viramaha avasanam.
That is a sutra. That is Sanya Sutra. Where the word avasana is used, I'm asking. You have repeatedly used that.
In the Anuswara Sandhi, I think Yaro.
Sandhi rule.
You cannot forget this.
Anuswara se I Parasavarna.
Where is
Va
avasana is
avasana.
used?
Va avasana. Next one, next sutra. 8159.
Oh, yes. But before that, immediately it should come to your mind one important rule, where is avasana. And we have used many times. Karavasana yoga visarjaniya. Remember?
Oh.
That is what I expect. Okay. Karavasana yoga visarjaniya. So when a kar letter follows, or when avasana at the end, then what will happen to what? What will happen to the repa? Repa will become visarga. So avasana is used. Avasana is the birth of visarga jananam, that it is used. And as Krishnaji said, va avasane, there also it is used. Va avasane at the end. So avasana is a sanya. Avasanam, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. What is avasanam? Viramaha. Viramaha means pause, stoppage. You take time to breathe out. Viramaha. 14110. This is also under the adhikaram. Akadarat eka sanya. Eka sanya means one sanya. One sanya only for the sanyas, for the sutras which are listed in this section. Akadarat. 1412. You can see 1412. The end will be 2, in the beginning itself it is there. 2 to 38. Iti. So 142 to 38. So it means fourth section, first chapter, and second chapter, first section, and second chapter, second section, up to this sutra. So the three sections, the sutras will get only one sanya. If it's sanya sutra is there, it will get one sanya. Or one sanya. That is the adhikara. Okay. Now, coming back to this. Viramaha avasanam. So the sanya is avasana sanya. Viramaha avasana sanyakaha bhavati. Viramaha iti yukte varnanam ucharanasya abhavaha. Absence of the pronunciation of the varna. It means the varnas, it is pause, stoppage. Between the two words there is a pause. Yata Ramaha iti atra. Visargat anantaram kopi varnaha na ucharyate. Ramaha, when you say, stops with the visarga. Ramaha. There is no varna which follows immediately. Ramaha vanam gacchati. Ramaha vanam gacchati. When you say Ramaha vanam gacchati, Ramaha vanam, when it is pronounced together, there is no pause. But when you pause after each word, Ramaha vanam, there's a pause. So, ataha Ramaha padat anantaram viramaha asti ityuchyate. Therefore, when there is no letter following, then it is called viramaha. Anantaram means after. Ramaha padat anantaram viramaha iti uchyate. Samhitayaha anupastitihi iti viramaha iti etatapi vaktum shakyate. When virama is a sandhi will happen? No. Sandhi will happen only when two varnas are close together. That is what sandhi is. Parasannikashaha samhita. Therefore, there is no sandhi. Anupastitihi. Na upastitihi. Samhitayaha na upastitihi anupastitihi. Iti viramaha vi vaktum shakyate. Therefore, we can call virama also as anupastiti of the samhita, the close proximity of the varna. There is no varna following. Varnasya varnanam abhavaha. Therefore, asya viramasya eva vyakarna shastre avasana sanya bhavati. This virama gets a sanya, avasana. Avasana sanyayaha prayogaha, that is sanya pradesha, where it is used. Kara avasana yogo visarjaniyaha, that is one. And va avasane etadrisheshu sutreshu drishyate. You can see in these sutras. So, viramaha is absence of letters. Viramaha is absence of letters. So when that's why we say when there is pause, a stoppage between the two words, this virama. And also at the end of the sentence, virama. Between the two sentences, there is a pause. After the completion of first sentence, full stop, danda is there. Then the next sentence starts. So viramaha. Okay. Viramyate iti viramaha. This is the Sutra 14110. Then after viramaha avasanam, after the avasana sanya, we will see padasanya. We will see padam. What is a padam? What is a sanya for padam?
Ting subantam padam.
It,
Sup.
sorry, things.
Ting subantam.
It,
It is not
thing
ting.
sheet.
Sup ting
Oh,
antam padam. Okay.
Tingantam padam.
Sup ting antam padam. What is sup ting antam padam? Sup antam is subantam. That is that which has got sup pratyaya. Ting antam, which has ting pratyaya. Kriya padam. Ting antam is kriya padam, subantam is nama padam. These are the padam. Okay. But what about in the Marut Shadda? Let us take example. Marut Bhyam 3-2. Marut plus Bhyam. What happened that Marut plus Bhyam? Marut plus Bhyam, Marut plus Bihi, Marut plus Bhyaha, and 7-3 Marut plus Su.
Pratipadikam takes the padam status.
Yes. So that is also Padam only. So therefore, one main important Pada definition is Supting Antam Pada. That is one. The second one is the 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, and 7-3. There the Pratipadikam also get Sanya Padam. So therefore, that also we need to know. And to know that, we need to know that some more thing. Therefore, the next sutra, what we will see is 7-1-20. We will see 7-1-20. In fact, we need to see some more sutra before this. Anyway, as I said, this is not a perfect order. We are interested in knowing the sanya. Therefore, we are going to see this sutra. Okay. Just shashogo shi. Just shashogo shi. This sutra. Here we need to understand the shi. That is why you have come to this sutra. There is no other necessity. Just shashogo shi. We will see the sutra separately when we do the napumsakalinga prakaranam. There we will see. But here the context is she is a sanya. She not sanya, she is the adesha. Okay, she is the adesha, which come in the place of just and shas. And the she is, we need to know she so that we can define the sanya, what is sarvanamastanam is. So that is the root. That is why we are coming to this sutra. Now let us see the sutra, you understand. Just shasoho shihi. Okay. She is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Just and shas. Just and shas is 1-3 and 2-3. Just shasoho is 6-3. Just is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Shashti Vibhakti.
Which is Shashti.
Just Shashoho Shashti Dvivachanam.
Yes, that's what I said. I said Jash is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Shas is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. The Pratyaya. Jash Shasoho is Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam. That is a samasa.
Okay.
What is Jas and Shas within that Jas Shasoho? That is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam and Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. The Pratyaya. Okay. So now Jas will be replaced by she and Shas will be replaced by she. So Jas and Shas, these two will be replaced by she. So she is the Adesha. Stani is Jas and Shas. Now, where this will be replaced, in that context, you will see the Anuvritti Napumsakat in Napumsakalinga. What is she? Now, we know since we have studied a lot, we know what is she, what is the content of she,
E.
what happened to Shakara?
Sure.
Lashkva Tadite.
Lashakkodadite, yes, by that, Shakara is Adihi. Adi Shakara, Adihi, Itudagaha, from that Adihi comes as Anuvritti. So, Adi, Shakara, Atadite, if it is not a Tadita. This is not Tadita. So, therefore, Shakara is get the Sanya, get, and Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore, content is only E. So, Jas will be replaced by E, and Shas also will be replaced by E. Jas, Shasoho, Shihi. That is why you in Napumsakalinga, when you decline Pala Shabda, for example, Palam Pale, what is that Bhagavachanam?
Palani.
Palani, from where you get E, this is what the E
Palani.
is. This is what the E is. Pala, Palam Pale, Pala plus Ani, that Palani, that E is because of this E. How you get the Palani, Nakara and all, that is different. You will get Nummakama and all, you will get it. So you get Palani. But the Pratyaya is replaced by E, that is she, by this sutra. Only Napumsakalinga. Only Napumsakalinga. That is why Napumsakat. Okay. So Napumsakat Angat, Jas, which is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Shas, which is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, sorry, and Shas, which is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, that is Shas, both will be replaced by she, whose content is E. Okay. So Napumsakat Parasya, Jas and Shas Pratyayoho, Pratyaya is replaced. Remember, here the Adesha, the Stani is the Pratyaya. Jas, Shas Pratyayoho, Shi Adesha Bhavati. Pratyaya is replaced by the Adesha Shi. Therefore, she also get the status of being a Pratyaya. Therefore, she also get the status of the Pratyaya. Okay. So this much is enough. The context is we need to know what she is. That is why this is introduced. This is 7120. Now, she is known. Now, what is Sarvanamasthanam? We are interested in knowing the Padam, and for that we need to know what Sarvanamasthanam. Therefore, we need to know where this she, because it's connected. We see the connection now. So, Sarvanamasthanam is defined in 1142. You can see. She Sarvanamasthana. See, we have come back to the first chapter now. Again, Sanya section. She Sarvanamasthana. Sanya Sutra. Sarvanamasthana is the Sanya. She is, that is, we saw. She is in 7120. So, that she which replaced Jas and Shas, that she as a Sanya Sarvanamasthana. She iti asya sarvanamasthana sanya bhavati. She gets a sanya sarvanamasthana. She ayam kaschana adeshaha. She is an adesha. How you know it is adesha? Jash, Shasoho Shihi. 720, we just now saw. Iti anena napumsakat parasya jas pratyasya shas pratyasya cha shi adeshaha vidiyate. Jas and shas vigadyadesha shi. Ayam shi adeshaha eva sarvanamasthana sanyam prapnoti. This she gets sanya sarvanamasthana. Okay, it's clear. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
So she gets sarvanamasthana. Therefore, napumsaka 1, 3 and 2, 3, what sanya it will get? What sanya?
Sarvanaam.
She.
What sanya I'm asking?
Oh.
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarva
That is what we
Namaskara.
are saying. We have been seeing in the Shatranta class. Just and shas, sarvanamasthana. Why we call it sarvanamasthana? Through this only. Just shasoko she sarvanamasthana. And just and shas for napumsakalinga will be replaced by she, and she is called sarvanamasthana. Therefore, just and shas, they are sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Understand?
So this will be apavada for because for Pullinga and Sri Lanka it is
Don't
soup,
worry
right?
about that. We'll come to that. Okay.
Oh.
Well, yes. Now, just is defining she is sarvanamasthana. Now, now the immediate question: what is there for Pullinga and Srilinga? Just see the next sutra. Sudanapumsakasya. What is Sudanapumsakasya? Sut anapumsakasya. Anapumsakasya is not for the napumsaka. Not for the napumsaka means other than napumsaka. That is Pullinga and Srilinga, right? For that, sut. Sut is what? Su or just out. That 5 pratyas. These Sarvanamasthana comes as anuvritti. This is the next sutra, okay? Sudanapumsakasya, the next sutra to Shi Sarvanamasthana. So Sarvanamasthana comes as anuvritti. Therefore, for other linga, other than Napumsaka linga, that is Pullinga and Srilinga, Sut stands for Su or just out. The first 5 pratyas, 5 places, they get the sanya Sarvanamasthana. Your question answered, Krishnaji.
Yes, Ji.
So, Sut anapumsakasya sarvanamasthana. That is the meaning. So, Sut means what? It says, Napumsakalinga binna shabdat. Other than Napumsakalinga. How many lingas are there? Only 3 linga. Other than Napumsakalinga means Strilinga and Pullinga. So, Napumsakalinga binna shabdat vigitaha su aujas out pratyaha sarvanamasthana namna nyayate. They get the sanya sarvanamasthana. Now you understand the connection. Why we went to just Shashogo Shihi and coming back here? Because we need to know Sarvanamasthana. Why we should know Sarvanamasthana? Because we are going to define Padam. For Padam, the main definition is Suttinganta Padam, and the Padasanya is extended to the Pratipadika also, like in the example Marut plus Gyam and all. There also Padasanya is used. Therefore, we need to know Sarvanamasthana. So that is the connection. We will see, we will understand it when we see other sutras. The Suttinganta Padam we need to see. And Asarvanamasthana also, that also it says Padasanya, that we will see. We will see that in the next class. Up to this, you understand clearly. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Yes, Chief.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Shasogo, she Sarvanamasthana, Sudanapumsakasya. These 3 you need to know together. 7:120, 1142, 1143. Okay, with this we stop now. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Please go through all the sutras again. Again and again, you need to go. You need to go through that the sutras. That the meaning of the sutras will be there always. And also, you please do the exercise, the homework for
Okay.
the Vidhi Sutra. Vidhi Sutra we have seen for so that you can try. What all the sutras applied in that sutra, understanding that sutra. Okay, thank you. We'll stop here. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.